This is the bonus question for ECE111. First, it will clear out the working space just in case there's anything inside the working space. And it will create a string from A to Z, and it will put it inside the cell array, cell alphabet. And then before we go through the while loop, let's look at the function first. Function menu is just showing the menu which user has to input. Function name input. This is where the computer asks for a user to put the name inside the array. It would ask you to put name in form of first name and last name. For example, Jun space Kim. Then it will automatically put the name in double, and it will return the double value of the name that's been inputted. Functions name sorting. This is gonna be sorting the name. It will get the name value and it will change it to the character. And then you'll find the last name and it will put it inside the sorting. You'll find the empty space inside the it will find the empty space inside the cell array. Then the name that's been inputted, it will go inside the empty space that's been found. Last name. Find last name. This is gonna be looking for the last name, first letter of the last name, and it will return the value of the last name, the first letter of the last name. This is the function for finding the empty space. It will look through the cell array and it will look for any value that's not been inputted or in any empty space that the name could go in. Specific letter cell function. This function gets input from an alphabet and displays the name in the specific alphabet. It will ask for user input and it would look for the alphabet that the user asked for and it will display anything that all the name inside the letter that user has inputted. List name in order. This is the function where it will display the name in alphabetical order. It will look for all the names inside the cell array and it will automatically put everything in alphabetical order. Going back to the while loop, it will use the menu function to list out everything. Then it will choose the input. It will ask for an input from the user to choose one. If the user puts 1, it will display everything inside the cell alphabet array. It's a cell array. And then if the user inputs the 2, it will use the list name order function and it will list everything in alphabetical order. If the user inputs the 3, it will ask which letter the user is looking for. And then it will get the value and it will display all the names inside the letter that user has inputted. If the user chooses 4, it will input the name inside the cell array. And based on the first letter of the last name. If the user inputs the 5, it will end the program, which is going to break the while loop. Other numbers besides 1 through 5, it will display a wrong number and it will go back to the main menu. And here's how it works. First, I have to put an input inside the name list. So 4, and it will ask for the name, Jun space Kim. Then I'll put another name, Let's say Jenny Jung. And another name, Alex Ree. And if I want to see everything in an array, all I have to do is simply press 1 and press enter. Then it will display the names inside the cell array. If I don't want to look at all this zero times zero double inside the cell array, what I need to do is put number 2 as an input. Then it will just automatically put only the names inside the array in alphabetical order due to their last name. And let's say if I want to look at the alphabet, like specific alphabet that I want to look for, if I choose 3, it will ask which letter that I'm looking for. Let's say I'm looking for Jun Kim. Last name is Kim, so it starts with a K. If I press K, and it will list all the names inside the K. And if I press 5, the program will end. Thank you.